Me feel also another sad note, another Chioma. So you'll be another highlight you say quite a review, no credit, but the highlight in party. But the whole soldier Adom TV so. The graft. But the highlight in party, but the very see. Me nada, me hwe bi ache. Those times near home, which jumbo money, Chioma Chukwuka. One we na abemu ya me bekin. Near friend Chioma Chukwuka. At a point, was a sunny day and a Chioma a copter. Bibisa a copter was omudino. Suddenly, no, was as a sunny day. It's been years her sister and divorce. And she didn't say a word. In fact, big shouts going out to her friends. If you have good friends around you, one Kate Sean, which a jumbo mudiago, muko girl strip, once Obia make up, mamma, oh, one should anyone obey ya. Obi, one no down food, diagona, some of once my mobile for one I catch a bloggers, may I say what down from. Once I were jawari, then for phobia ma out. You need friends like that in your life. It's answer by now. Wow, could you also when you be with us? Why wouldn't you move? Cheer your Troy. I could hear this one in the radar. Was I didn't leave my husband because I stopped loving him. I left because I was starting to forget how to love myself, and that's deep. People assume divorce means failure. No. Sometimes it's survival. For years, I kept quiet, smiling for the camera, wearing my ring like everything was okay. But behind the scenes, I was disappearing emotionally, mentally. I gave the best of me to a man who eventually stopped seeing me. Conversations turned to silence, respect turned to tension. And the home I tried so hard to build started to feel like a place I didn't belong. Walking away wasn't easy. I wasn't dramatic. Underline the word dramatic, Ohima. It was silent, deliberate, and I didn't need to announce it. I just started choosing myself again. I stopped posting Chioma Akopta, and I went back to being Chioma Chukwuka. Not because I hate my past, but because I'm reclaiming my name, my peace, and my power. I didn't lose a marriage. I found myself. Bomano. Now we sign we pick words no. Wadama where the way na dramatic. Why sign I see mama sign for our signature boss on a sign. I know so many girls going through such phases and their thoughts are edien na nipa beka. But on say mama bi ekueme or the edien na nipa beka sa na mama ni di we. And Musa counselor be when you abre. I will see do a show so Joy Prime. Cast what you are no matter what you are facing. Tinem. Mona moment no. We have physical abuse, we have emotional abuse. Dear emotional abuse no. Ya say physical dear bono. Other if you are going through something and no pay, marriage is beautiful. It's an institution by God. Don't get it twisted. Our refu, go for 20 years, 30 years. Trust me, it's not an easy road. But if you are in it, and you are not happy, and you just want to be called Mrs., and you just want to please people, please think twice. What? Please think twice. Sabita fraction, kofo pidin simhunu. Nesha because society a man I say oba na minia ubewu. When in Jeffrey, remember, I'm angel of death, angel of divorce, Debbie. Marriage is good, but if you are not happy, leave. They are excess or more hygiene, or by how, or by any maybe. But the most important is that you are happy. I'm preaching, hallelujah, bonsema Yesu, Jesus. You by a battle.